Hi guys, today we're making green posole. We're making it out of chicken. So for the ingredients we need 3 poblano peppers, 4 jalapeño peppers. We also need cilantro. We need about 2 to 3 pounds of chicken breast, seasoning, garlic, onion, and of course the granos. We also need tostadas. Step is to cut this in little squares. You're gonna fill up your pot halfway, and then you're gonna turn it on. You're also gonna put half of an onion. Make sure you peel it and then just put it in there so it can start boiling, as well as some garlic. Half of a head of a garlic. You put it in there and then you let it boil for about 45 minutes. Make sure you guys take out all the white stuff that comes out after the chicken starts boiling and just throw it out. What I also like doing is putting the chiles with the same water that I'm boiling the chicken with, and also boil the chiles. Once the chiles are ready, make sure you take them out and take out all the seeds from the poblano peppers. After you take out all the seeds, put it in the blender and also put a little bit of cilantro. You're also gonna put some water from the juice of the chicken. And then for flavor, you're gonna use the caldo de pollo, caldo con sabor de pollo. For the flavor, you're gonna use knorr chicken flavor, and put maybe like 2 small spoons. And now you have to blend it. So we're gonna blend it. You blend it and it's ready, just put it aside. So now what you're gonna do, you're gonna get your granos, you're gonna open it and you're gonna drain it. Once you open it, go ahead and put it inside. Very careful because this water is really hot. Once you have it inside, put a little bit of flavor. Instead of salt, I always use this just for the flavor. And you can do as much as you want, depending on how salty you want it, or if you don't like the salty, just a few little spoons. Mix it all around. And you could always taste it to see if the flavor is good or if it needs more. Let the grano boil for about 30 to 40 minutes. You have to make sure you try it and see if it's very soft. After that, we're gonna add the sauce. So let's wait till it boils. I'm using chicken, but if you wanted to use pork or beef, whatever type of meat you like, you can use it. It's just I prefer chicken for the green posole. Okay guys, so now add the sauce, because it has to boil a little bit with the water and the grano and the chicken. So once your pozole is almost ready, make sure you cut your vegetables. You're gonna get some jalapeño peppers. You're gonna have some onions, radish, and then you're gonna have lettuce and then lemon. And I'll show you how to put it together after the pozole is done. So this is ready. Now it's time to put all your vegetables. Hey guys, this is the final product. Hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you.